What the hell is that? Now it's here. I've seen it on the YouTube, but that's right here. What the hell is that? Nothing in the sky. Nothing. Weird or loud. Probably doing something weird at Langley or something. Who knows what they're doing? That's weird. Whoa. That's so weird. Comes right from above.